In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram carousel using Canva. Creating engaging content for Instagram can be a fun and creative process, and using Canva makes it incredibly accessible whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started. Let's dive into the steps and explore how you can effortlessly make a carousel in Canva. First, open up Canva in your preferred web browser. When you're on the homepage, head to the search bar at the top and type in Instagram Carousel. This is where the magic begins. Typing this in will bring up a variety of templates specifically designed for Instagram carousels, and it's a great starting point to ensure your design fits perfectly onto Instagram's platform. Once you've done that, you'll see several template options that appear on your screen. Browse through these templates, taking note of the style and layout that resonate with the message you want to convey in your carousel. There's no lack of variety, so take your time to select a template that catches your eye and aligns with the look you're going for. With your chosen template in mind, it's time for customization, which is where Canva truly shines. Click on the Customize this template button. This action will open up a detailed editor where you can modify the chosen design to suit your specific needs. This is your blank canvas, quite literally. Now that you're in the editor, you'll want to focus on the text. Every template comes with placeholder text that you can click to edit. Consider carefully what message you want your carousel slides to communicate. You can change the font, size, color, and even apply text effects to ensure your text stands out and is readable but also keeps with the aesthetic you're aiming for. Tips here include keeping text short and engaging to encourage viewers to swipe through your entire carousel. Beyond text, don't forget you can also change images or add graphics. Canva allows you to upload your photos or choose from their extensive library of stock images and elements. This flexibility affords you great creativity. Simply drag and drop your chosen images or elements into the design, adjusting size and placement until you're satisfied with the overall look. Finally, once you're happy with your customized design, double check for spelling errors and ensure that everything looks visually appealing and cohesive. When finished, it's time to download your masterpiece. Click on the download button at the top right corner of the screen and make sure to select the file type best suited for Instagram, such as PNG or JPEG. And just like that, you've created an Instagram carousel using Canva. With these simple steps, you have the power to captivate your audience with eye-catching and engaging content, ready to share with the world. Enjoy the creative process and have fun showcasing your brand or personal story to your followers.